Did it ever happen to you to have a friend or family that wanted to connect to your Wi-Fi and you weren't remembering the password? In this short video, you are going to see how you can recover it directly from your Windows. First, you can press on the Windows key and R to open the run command. As soon as the run command opens, you can type in cpa.cpl and hit OK. Your network connections window will open, and then you can go to your active Wi-Fi network and click on Status. Then, you go to Wireless Properties and go to the second tab, called Security. In the Security tab, you can simply tick the box that says Show Characters, and you will see your Wi-Fi password. It's that easy. We hope that you like this video and find it useful. Subscribe to this channel to see more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.